Welcome to this particular video. So over here, this is the end of Sosovalue Airdrop season 2, and of course there are a lot of disappointments right here. The community is not happy about Sosovalue Airdrop. A lot of people are giving up on the airdrop entirely, because if Sosovalue Airdrop could disappoint the community to this extent, then what is the fate of other airdrop projects out there? All right, so welcome to this particular video. Over here, let's talk a little bit about Sosovalue Airdrop season 2. So today we have just concluded the season 2, and a lot of people have checked their eligibility status, and unfortunately a lot of us are not eligible for the Sosovalue Airdrop season 2, despite all the effort, despite all the time, despite all the struggle to accumulate EXP. And at the end of the day, on the season 2, we are not able to get anything reasonable from Sosovalue Airdrop. Imagine myself getting only 10 Sosovalue Airdrop tokens. All right, so this is incredible, because I was expecting something a lot better than this. Then if I could get something so little as this, then what is the fate of other people out there? So basically over here on this season 2, I was able to accumulate a lot of EXP. I made a lot of invites, and of course I actually ranked up a little bit, and I completed a lot of daily task. And right here we are faced with this. Okay, now I believe there is a glitch along the line, because this cannot be the actual allocation for someone like myself and other people out there. And of course a lot of people who are not bots are flagged as bots, and a lot of people are not eligible to the to claim the Sosovalue airdrop. Right now we have been farming this particular airdrop for about 1 year plus, and by the end of the day, someone like me end up with just 10 Sosovalue token. This 10 Sosovalue token is equivalent to about $11 or equivalent to about $2, I guess. Now let me check it out right here. All right, so imagine I got just 10 Sosovalue, which is equivalent to 2.8 USDT. So after 1 year plus of steady grinding, steady struggle, all my time, all my effort to accumulate Sosovalue EXP in order to get a huge airdrop allocation, I end up getting just $2.8, which is around 2,000 Nigerian naira, or about around 3,000 or 4,000. That is totally insane and unbelievable. I never expected something like this from a project like Sosovalue Airdrop. Not just me, a lot of people out there are disappointed. So after a couple of hours after they gave us announcement saying that they are going to be needing more time to finalize a lot of things, it ended up that they couldn't reward their community very well. And I highly recommend that Sosovalue tackle these 4 things that I'm about to mention right now, because I think that is those are where the problem is coming from. Okay, now the first thing is that they need to urgently review the eligibility and the allocation system, because this is where the major problem is coming from. I believe a lot of people were flagged as bots, and they are not eligible for the Sosovalue airdrop. This is very, very incredible, because I never expected that a project like Sosovalue airdrop could disappoint their community like this. You can see a lot of comments right here, people saying that after all this work, $3 correct. Okay, you can see a lot of people are not happy about this. A lot of people are not happy about this. Okay, now the second thing that I need them to look into is that they need to give us a transparent explanation of the distribution methodology that they use for this particular season 2 airdrop, because how can we be able to get this when about 10 million Sosovalue token were actually distributed? I guess they only distributed it to very few persons, that is few persons who they think that, yeah, these people are the VIP, if you ask me, because after many years you cannot give a real human being about $2 to hold on to. That is totally insane. Now a lot of people right here on their comment section are complaining bitterly. Now I will continue. The third thing that I think they need to do is to to reassess all accounts and correct those ones that are wrongly flagged as ineligible, because I believe a lot of people who are not eligible for this particular airdrop are supposed to be eligible, because a lot of them are real human beings. They need to also look into that. Now the final thing is that they need to consider a fair redistribution, or a fair redistribution or adjustments process for affected genuine participants, because I believe a lot of people are not happy with this, and any project that left their community behind is definitely not going to go very, very far. All right, so basically this is what I think Sosovalue airdrop need to do. And of course this is crypto airdrop for you guys. For a lot of you who who always expect crypto airdrop to change their life, this should be a very good example for you, because of course crypto airdrop usually disappoint. So I wanted to say that I'm going to be giving up on crypto airdrop, but I won't be saying it, because we still have this airdrop right here, this grass airdrop. My hope is highly on this grass airdrop, that it's going to cook, because the last one, this season 1, actually cooked very well, and of course this season 2 should be able to cook. So if grass airdrop does the same thing like Sosovalue and disappoint all the community, I guess I'll be distancing myself from crypto airdrop for the meantime. So over here, all my hope and my eyes are greatly on grass airdrop. So I won't be giving up right now. I will see what grass airdrop holds for us. All right, so for those of you who are very, very disappointed about Sosovalue airdrop, I want to use this medium to kind of tender my apology to a lot of you who happen to join this particular project because of me. All right, so we are not giving up yet. We still have a lot in future, and we are going to be talking less of airdrop starting right now on this channel. We are going to be focusing more on things that are going to be more productive to a lot of us. So looking over here, the season 3 of the Sosovalue airdrop has already started, but I don't think I will be I'll be joining. I don't think I'll be joining the season 3, because if the season 2 can disappoint, then the season 3 is definitely going to be doing the same thing. All right, so basically I'll be stopping here right now, and of course we are going to be waiting for more updates. I'll be dropping it right here on this particular channel. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be stopping right here. I will talk to you guys on the next video that I will be sharing very, very soon.